Good morning students, welcome to all. Last video we talk about how to find the uh, prime factorization using find LCM using prime factorization. Okay, so now we find out the LCM using prime factorization method. Okay, you know very well there are two methods were there, prime factorization and normal division method. Now we are discussing prime factorization method. Okay, so now we find out LCM to this given number 42, 18, 24. So you know very well the prime factorization method. First we have to find out the prime factors. So I will take first 42. So you have to choose which number we have to divide. Now I'm choosing 2. Okay, so 221. 221s are 42. So 221s are 42. So now which number we can divide? 3 table. 7 3s are 21. So if you put 3 here, 7 3s are 21. Now which number we can divide? We can divide 7 table. 7 ones are 7. So what are the factors? 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, now we have to find out the factors of 18. So 18, now I am going to divide by 2. So 6 2s are, sorry, 8 2s are, 9 2s are 18. Okay, 9 2s are 18. Okay, now we can divide by 3. So 3 3s are 9. Okay, again we can divide. So by 3, 3 ones are 3. Now 2 into 3 into 3. This is the factor, prime factor. Okay. Now we will find out 24. So now I am going to divide by 2. So 2 12s are 24. 2 12s are 24. Okay. Then now 2 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. Now 2 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Now 3 1s are 3. Now you have to write factor 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Now first we take pull out the prime factor for highest number. Here 2 one time, here one time, here 3 times. How many times are there in 2? Here 3 times, 1 times, here 1 times. So this is the highest times, no? So I will take 3 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2. Then next 3. Here 1 time, here 2 times, here 1 time. So this is the highest times, no? So I will take 3 2 times. Then another number 7. 7 here only 1 time, so I will take 1. Now if you multiply the number, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 into 3, 24 into 3, 4 3s are 12, remainder 1, 2 3s are 6, plus 1 7, 72. So 72 into 7, 72 into 7, 7 2s are 14, remainder 1, 7 7s are 49, plus 1 50. So 504 is the lowest common multiple of 42, 18 and 24. Okay, so listen carefully. You have to find out the prime factors. Because how we say prime factor? Because you know very well 2, 3, 7, these all are prime numbers. You know very well. So this is the factors of this number. 2, 3, 7 is the factor of 42 and 2, 3, 3 is the 18 factor. 24 is this factor. So commonly we have to take, and which is the highest repeated number, we have to pull out, and if you multiply this all the factor, you got a number. That's a least common multiple for these 3 numbers. Okay. Okay students, you know very well how to find the lowest common multiple. there have two methods were there. One is prime factorization method, another one is the common division method. Let me see how to find the LCM by using common division method. I will tell you one by one, listen carefully. Let me take first 36, 40 and 15. Now I am going to divide by the 2. Okay. So in this method, if any number does not divide the number, the divisor, you have to take down as it is. Okay. What it means I will tell you later. Now you can divide 36. How many 2's are there in 36? 2 18's are 36. So 2 18's are 36. Okay. In 40, how many 2's are there? 2 20's are 40. 2 20's are 40. Okay. If you can you divide by 15 into by 2? No, we can't divide. So we can take down as it is. That's I told you first. If any number does not divide, you have to take down as it is. Okay. So now I am going to divide by 2 again. Okay. So 9 2's are 18. 9 2's are 18. Okay. Then 2 10's are 20. Listen. 2 10's are 20. Can you divide by 15 by 2? We can't divide. So I will take down as it is. Okay. Now I will divide by 3. Because here 9 is there, 15 is there now. We can divide by 3 easily. So 3 3's are 9. 3 3's are 9. So 10 we can't divide. So I will take down as it is. Then 3 4's are 3 5's are 15. 3 5's are 15. 3 5's are 15. Okay. Now again I will divide by 2. Again divide by 2 not 5. I will divide by 5. Okay. Here 3 we can't divide, so I will take as it is. 2 5's are 10. 1 5 is equal to 5. So this is the end, because see all are prime number. Here all are prime number, so no need to no need to divide. Now let me collect all the factors of this number. So first this row, okay, then after this row we have to collect all the factors. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 this side. Now this side 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. If you multiply this all number, see 2 2's are 4. Okay. 4 3's are 12. 12. Okay. 12 5's are 60. Okay. 63's are 180. Okay. 180 into 2. 180 into 360. 360 into 1, 360. So 360 is the answer. Okay. So this is the LCM, lowest common multiple of 36, 40 and 15 by using common division method. Okay. Okay students, welcome to all. Now again we will see another example by find the LCM of by using common division method. Let me take another example. The example 36, 60 and 48. Now we are going to find out the LCM, means lowest common multiple. So let me take first I will divide the all numbers by 2. Okay, because here 36, so we can divide by 2, 60, 48. So all are even numbers, so we can divide by 2 easily. And also prime number, na? So we want to make all the factors are prime numbers. So that's why. So 36, 2 18's are 36. Okay. Then 2 30. 2 30's are 60. Okay. Then 2 24's are 48. 2 24's are 48. Okay. Let me divide again 2. Okay. So 9 2's are 18. 9 2's are 18. 2 15's are 30. 2 15's are 30. Then 2 12s are 24. 2 12s are 24. Okay. Again we will divide by 3. You know 3 3s are 9. Okay. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Then 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. See here prime number, this prime number, but this is a composite number. So again we have to divide. So I will divide by 2. So we can't divide by 3. So I will take as it is. 5 also I will take as it is. 2 2s are 4. Now see, these all are prime number. This also prime factors. So let me write all the factors. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 2, then this 3 into 5 into 2 is equal to, so 2 2s are 4, okay, then 4 3s are 12, okay, then 12 2s are 24, okay, 24 into 3 24, 24 24 24, 12, remember 1 3 5 7 72. So 24 into 3 72, 72 into 5 72 into 5, 2 5s are 10, 0, remainder 1, 35 plus 1 36, so 360. So 360 into 2 360, 0, 12, 720. So 720 is the lowest common multiple of 36, 60, 48 by using common division method. I hope students you understand how to find the LCM by using common division method and prime factorization method both. Okay.